Hi, in this session we'll learn about data transfer concepts in Linux. So there are three types of data transfer concepts in Linux. One is Linux to Linux machine, transfer of data from Windows to Linux machine, and Linux to Windows machine. So now we'll learn how to transfer data from Linux to Linux machine. There are three tools we use in Linux. One is SCP, Secure Copy Protocol, SFTP, Secure File Transfer Protocol. RSYNC is a remote sync. So we'll launch quickly a 2EC2 machine and start using the command SCP, and we'll try to transfer the data from one Linux machine to another Linux machine. And for that we have to use a command SCP source path of the file or a data space username @IP address of a targeted machine is to destination path of the machine. So quickly we'll try this command in a EC2 machine. So I have launched 2 EC2 machine. We'll create some file. Touch ram.python, touch sita.python, enter. So in this machine we have 6 files already created. So now recently we have created Rama and Sita. So we'll try transferring Rama file to user 2. So we'll run the command hostname to find the IP address of user 2, and now we'll write SCP space file name ram.python. So we have to transfer ram file to machine 2, that is Harish is a username, Harish @IP address is to destination path is a home / Harish, enter. It will ask for password HAR. So now RAM file is transferred to machine 2. Let's see is it transferred or not. We'll run a command ll, enter. So see here the ram file ram.python we can see in machine 2. So likewise we'll create some like we have Usha file over here and .python. So we'll create one more file in user 2, touch box.python, enter. So we have box file here. So we will transfer this box file to user 1, that is Girish. So SCP space file box is a source path of a data or a file. Girish is a username. So we'll copy the IP address of the particular user is to /home and destination path is Girish. We have to transfer this box file to Girish user. So we'll enter. It asks for a password GIR, enter. So now the box file is transferred. So we'll check in the machine 1 whether it is transferred or not. We'll run a command ll, enter. So see the box file is transferred to machine 1. So this is the secure copy protocol method to transfer data from one Linux machine to another Linux machine. So likewise we'll see SFTP command, SFTP, and username will take it as Harish @IP address. Enter. Again it will ask for password. We'll give a password. So we are connected with SFTP tool. So we'll run a command ls. So we have a file 01.python, asha box, rama.python, usha.python. So we'll do one thing. We will get file from user to like get space. We'll take we'll create one user here, like file here, touch pen.python. So we have created pen file over here. So we will get pen file from user 2 to user 1. SFTP, we have connected with SFTP tool. So get pen file, enter. So now fetching home, like from Harish user pen, okay, and we will exit from SFTP, enter, and we'll check the list of the files over here. So see, we can see here pen is transferred. So this is like SFTP tool. We have we will use the command SFTP username @IP address, and once it is connected we can get the file from user 2 to user 1. Likewise also we can run a command touch glass.python. So we'll run a command SFTP Girish @IP address will have to enter a password. It is connected. Yes, password I think I have entered mistake firstly, and now it is connected. So we'll run put command. We will put glass.python file to machine 1, enter. So we can see that glass file is also transferred to machine 1. So we'll check the list glass whether it is transferred to Girish or not. So enter. So we can see here the glass file is transferred. So we learnt about how to transfer data from one Linux machine to another Linux machine with a secure copy protocol and secure file transfer protocol. So here in SCP we have used a command source path of file or a data, username, IP address of a targeted machine is to destination path of a machine. Likewise in secure file transfer protocol we used get and put commands. So once SFTP is connected to the particular user, we can get a file from user 2 to user 1 machine, and we can also put a files from user machine